Here's one for you. Going to be doing a POV, custom printing some Comfort Colors t-shirts for a wholesale client of ours. Starting off with the first shirt, print it 2 or 3 times, spin it around under the flash while I load the second shirt onto the second platen. Make sure that shirt is nice and straight, no wrinkles. With the white 2 or 3 times, make sure it clears. Rotate the second one underneath the flash. Grab my third shirt, load it on the platen. Print it 2 or 3 good times. Want to get a nice good lay down of white on that first. Good base layer. And here's the fourth shirt. Sometimes it needs a little adjustment, but I'm here for it. Here goes the 2 or 3 good print strokes. Fourth one goes under the flash, and now for the first one, gets that final white. Gives it that nice opacity. Pull that thing off, throw it on the dryer belt. In the warmer weather, I don't really care for Comfort Colors because we are in the South Carolina heat. But in the cooler weather, that is a nice shirt. Nice and soft. Nice and thick too. I believe it's a 6 ounce. So that's the second shirt off the press. Here comes the third one. I'm using International Coatings Cool White. Covers really well, nice and creamy. And finally, the fourth shirt. Give it one hit. Pull that bad boy off. Goes on the belt for final cure. I'm gonna turn my flash off, move it out from the platen so I don't burn one up. I've had a tendency of doing that in the past. Reach down, grab the ones that I'd previously printed, put them on the table to fold, and here come the last 4. Thanks for watching. Like and follow for more.